Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking the right image. Aim for native resolution so it will look sharp. Once chosen, save it to desktop or pictures so you can find it instantly. Right-click the image file to reveal the context menu, or right-click the desktop background to open display settings. This gets you into the controls quickly. Make sure to note the scale options like fill, fit, stretch. Now proceed with the contextual menu to set the image as your wallpaper without extra apps. You should open Settings, then Personalization, and then Background to see options. Click Picture and browse to pick the file you saved earlier. This links the image to your desktop. Once set, choose the Fit mode. Fill gives full coverage, Fit preserves whole image, and Span covers multiple monitors. Adjusting this makes the wallpaper look intentional. If colors seem off, check Night Light or Color Profile. Once satisfied, lock the screen to preview and confirm alignment across icons and taskbar. You finish by locking the screen or simply minimizing windows to inspect how the wallpaper behaves with icons and taskbar. If it looks blurry, make sure the image matches the display resolution and confirm Windows scaling is appropriate. 100% or 125% affects sharpness. If problems persist, update the graphics driver or try saving the image as PNG or high-quality JPEG to avoid compression artifacts. If the image still misaligns,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.